Those are the top stories. Let's go to the money desk now. The latest manufacturing data set to be released this morning. Some economists say the numbers will reflect an already weak economy. Well, eNCA money anchor Rofhiwa Madzena is joining us now for more on this. Rofhiwa, good morning. Good to chat to you on this Thursday morning. Eskom, one would argue, has been a big hindrance on the manufacturing sector.
That's right, Brad, and very good morning to you too. But we have seen that the load shedding that has happened over the later part of last year and early into this year has really had a big impact on the manufacturing sector. What's interesting is that we will have seen that a big component of the manufacturing sector is exports, and we export to your Europes or your North America, and they initiated their lockdowns towards the end of last year or earlier this year. So we would have seen an impact on exports there, which would have had an impact on the manufacturing there, the sector as well. So apart from Eskom, there are various other issues that could have had an impact on the sector as a whole.
Okay, what's likely to come out, you think, in the latest data this morning?
Yeah, so we're probably not going to see anything that we haven't seen before in terms of a downturn. Apart from Eskom, I mean, Eskom has been really good in the recent months because of the lockdown. But like I've said, that we export a lot, so we will have seen a little bit of a downturn because we cannot export as many goods as we can because countries have closed their borders. What you also will see is that there will be a downturn in the manufacturing of mining minerals and commodities, and this is obviously because of the lockdown and the restrictions that have been initiated on various companies. So what you will see is not a good picture, just a reflection of the current state of the economy, and also just the fact that we are in a recession that will come out very, very clearly in that economic data.
Okay, Rofhiwa, so I just wonder what other numbers are doing, or what about the markets?
Yeah, so it's very interesting. So the rand was a little bit stronger this morning, but it's gotten a little bit weaker. I think investors are looking out for that economic data that I've just spoken about. But we're also seeing that the JSE opened in the positive, in line with global markets, and that's just because of the geopolitical events that are taking place. But let's just have a closer look at those markets.